I'm Leonard Lou, Global Sourcing Manager at Avnan. I'm responsible for developing new suppliers, working with engineering, quality, and sales team in the NPI projects, and ensuring that new products are launched per the customer requirements. I'm also responsible for building, maintaining, and nurturing relationships with suppliers. Well, from the concept design up to the first mass production is a long process because it involves many stakeholders, including the customer hired third party, safety approval agencies, labs, our select factory, their sub-vendors, the component supplier, as well as logistic service providers. As you can see, there are many different teams involved in. They are the design engineers, project manager, PMC, product engineer, test engineer, supply chain professionals, and logistic people. They all have to closely collaborate, coordinate, plan, and manage the change requirements at the different stages. These kinds of complex relationships and all the moving parts can be very challenging when we manufacture and launch a new product to the market. With our factory around the world, we can offer our customers various manufacturing solutions. Although we manufacture mostly in Asia because of the high quality, lower cost options, we also have locations in other parts of the world. Some of our factories are considered as world-class facilities and have been operating for over 20 years. They are equipped with most advanced manufacturing technology, machinery, and solid quality control systems. Our factories are certified as per Automobile Industry 16949 standards, and we continuously invest on improving manufacturing technology, purchasing more automated machinery and test equipment. We also conduct rigorous semi-annual or annual quality audits. Our quality team does the inspections before each shipment. We encourage our customers to focus on big picture thinking and do planning. Planning helps to identify potential risks so you can avoid pitfalls and spot buy, which could be very costly. We list and update all the pending items and review them weekly. We strongly recommend ordering the non-risking components soon after engineering team release EVT or DVT bombs. We ensure that new product designs are manufacturable and scalable by involving our experienced production engineers earlier in design stage. With early involvement, we avoid potential development issues such as component sourcing difficulties. It's ideal to have design engineers who are familiar with supply chain, the components material market, and have some manufacturing experience or knowledge. We also encourage and arrange our design engineers to visit the production facilities. Well, we ensure compliance during the manufacturing process by first ensuring that our factories understand the expectations and regulation standards, and then by auditing their practices. Compliance and regulatory standards are part of standard operating procedures of Avnan engineering team. In addition, the Avnan quality team qualifies and routinely audits our factories and the component sub-vendors by periodically visiting and performing on-site monitoring work based on Avnan quality management system.